Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Children, today's our topic is count and write number names. So first of all we will count the objects. Now then write here number names. So let's start. Look at the board. Count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many objects? 7. So write here 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write here 9. N-I-N-E 9. Once again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many objects? 6. There are 6 objects. S, I, X, 6. Now count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. F-O-U-R 4. 1, 2. Write here 2. T-W-O 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write here 10. T-E-N 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Okay. So children, please do this work in your this book. Page 3 number book, page number 20. Page number 20 and page number 21. ये दोनों पेज आपको अपनी इस बुक में कंप्लीट करने हैं. थैंक यू.